first time running in a different city. It's a very memorable experience. The uphills, the downhills, and seeing the scenic views of Baguio has been amazing.
It felt good. It felt nice. Dami kong nakilala during the marathon, during the run. Every start is also another finish line, and another finish line is another starting line.
Maraming dyan, mag-practice kayo dahil mahirap talaga ang ruta dito. Sobrang sayang experience, sobrang vibrant, sobrang ganda ng running community, hindi lang sa Manila pati na rin sa Baguio. Very promising. You have something to look forward to dahil dun una-una yung interconnecting medals. So ang gandang advocacy ni Coach Rio pati na rin ng mga organizers dahil napapalaganap nila yung healthy lifestyle, healthy living, and yung beauty and joy of running.
And you move forward.